The idea is an application for smartphone that reads the plates on electric motors. It helps you identify a replacement motor and, if possible, even with a better efficiency. It's really nice because you learn knowing other people working on innovation projects with their ideas, their mindset, and it's always good to bring other point of views in such a project. The favorite part is being here. I mean, winning and celebrate with other people. Surely, because only by filling the form they can find out if they thought of everything or if they're missing something. This means they don't need to win to bring something home. They only need to participate and they already have their first feedback.